Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm so excited to do these activities with you. We're going to be doing a few science experiments that are pretty easy, and all of the materials can be found in your kitchen. So let's get started. We're going to need vinegar, an apple. You're going to want a grown-up to help you cut your apple into 4 pieces, a plate to put your apple on, half a glass of water, some lemon juice, baking soda, some dish soap, popcorn kernels, a small bowl, and a spoon. So we're going to try a couple of different products here and see which one helps apples stay looking fresh the best. So we have vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and then we have one piece for our control experiment that has nothing on it. It's just a regular apple slice. So we're going to make a prediction here. Do you think that the regular slice of apple, the apple with vinegar, with lemon juice, or baking soda is going to keep your apple the freshest? Let's see. Okay, so it's been an hour, and it looks like the apple with nothing and the apple with some vinegar are pretty similar. You can see one side of the vinegar apple is brown and the other side's a little bit lighter, so maybe we didn't get our vinegar all the way over that slice. I'm not sure, we'll see. Baking soda apple looks pretty dry to me. Maybe most of the juice of the apple was absorbed by the baking soda. And the lemon juice looks pretty good. So let's come back and check in one more hour and we'll see what we've got. Okay, so looking at our apple slices, it looks like we have a clear winner here. The lemon juice apple slice looks fresh and delicious, and it's been sitting out for about 2 hours. So looks like our baking soda apple is pretty dried out. The apple with nothing on it is looking a little dried out and brown too. And same thing for the apple with vinegar. Although it does look like that one corner of that apple slice with vinegar is not looking too bad. I think an apple slice with lemon juice might taste okay, but I don't think I would enjoy an apple slice with vinegar or baking soda on top. Let me know what you think. Was your prediction correct? Okay, so for this next project, we're gonna need our bowl, a spoon, a tablespoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of dish soap, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. So when we mix an acid and a base together, then we get a reaction. So what we're going to do here is mix our baking soda, which is our base, and our lemon juice, which is an acid, and we're going to combine that together to release carbon dioxide gas. And our liquid soap is going to help us out. What do you think that liquid soap is going to do? I don't know. Let's try it out and see. So the first thing you're going to do is get your bowl and put in a tablespoon of your dish soap and a tablespoon of your baking soda and mix it together so it's very well combined. You're gonna mix your lemon juice together with your baking soda dish soap combination and see what happens. Wow, look at that. All of the bubbles are turning into a big foam and it's erupting right out of our bowl. How fun! Okay, so for our last experiment, we're going to grab our glass of water, the rest of our vinegar, the rest of our baking soda, and popcorn kernels. We're going to pour those popcorn kernels right into the glass of water. And then we're going to take our vinegar and pour it in. And it should mix pretty well on its own, but if it didn't, you can give it a little swirl. Now we're going to take our baking soda and pour it right in there and see how that baking soda and vinegar reacted. Pretty cool, huh? No, it was watered down, so it wasn't as big of a reaction as it would have been if it was just baking soda and vinegar together. But now take a look at those popcorn kernels. You see how they're moving from the bottom of the glass up to the top? Let's get a closer look. These popcorn kernels are dancing up and down and back and forth. How cool is that? This science experiment works through a chemical reaction. So the two chemicals react when they're mixed and they form a carbon dioxide gas. The gas forms bubbles and those collect around the popcorn kernels. So the gas bubbles lift the kernels up to the surface of our liquid, and when the gas is released, they fall back down into the jar, making it look like they're dancing or jumping. Thanks for joining us. We can't wait to see you next time.